name is Elwood, and today is just today, June 17th or something. But it doesn't matter. So, we're almost there with Carlos, so we're going to get to the part to eat my sandwich and record a video. So, my cousin Tyler went back home where she belongs. So, this is why people are dodging people. You know, dodge is D-O-D-G-E. That's how you spell dodge. D-O-D-G-E.
Yep, Dodge.
So, this is why dodges are just D-O-G-E. So, this is what people spell D-O-G-E. It's like 6, 7, 5. It's just an ordinary
You
number.
should have turned right there, man.
So, bye, guys.